Celebrity cheating scandals have long captivated the public, as high-profile figures who seem to live perfect lives are often exposed for their infidelities. Hollywood's most shocking cheating scandals have revealed the complexities and vulnerabilities of fame, with some leading to public divorces, damaged reputations, and irreparable damage to personal and professional lives. Here are some of the most scandalous and talked-about infidelity cases in Hollywood history. Number 8. Tiger Woods and his affairs. In 2009, Tiger Woods' marriage to Swedish model Elin Nordegren unraveled when multiple women came forward with the golf legend. The scandal began after Woods was involved in a car accident outside his home, which led to intense media scrutiny. Several women, including cocktail waitresses, porn stars, and other alleged mistresses, publicly revealed that they had been involved with Woods during his marriage. The revelations ultimately pointed to a pattern of extramarital relationships, with some reports suggesting that Woods had been involved with up to a dozen women. The scandal severely damaged his public image, which had been built on a reputation of discipline. Woods' endorsement deals were affected, and his once untouchable career suffered. The media frenzy intensified as Nordegren filed for divorce, costing Woods a reported $100 million. While Woods later attempted a comeback in both his personal life and career, the affair scandal permanently changed his public persona and highlighted the toll of infidelity in the celebrity world. Number 7. Jay-Z and Beyonce. In 2016, rumors of Jay-Z's infidelity erupted when Beyonce released her critically acclaimed album, Lemonade. The album featured tracks that many fans believed referenced Jay-Z's unfaithfulness, with lyrics that hinted at a relationship damaged by cheating. The speculation was heightened by the inclusion of a song titled Sorry, widely interpreted as a reference to Jay-Z's alleged mistress. The album's emotional depth and rawness sparked intense public interest, leading to widespread speculation about Jay-Z's infidelity. In subsequent interviews, Jay-Z admitted to cheating, acknowledging the strain it put on his marriage with Beyonce. Despite the scandal, the couple worked through their issues, with Jay-Z opening up about their struggles in his 2017 album 444, where he expressed remorse and sought to repair their relationship. The pair's ability to reconcile and rebuild their marriage became a symbol of resilience and commitment, inspiring many fans with their story of overcoming adversity in the public eye. Number 6. Arnold Schwarzenegger's love child. In 2011, the world was stunned when it was revealed that Arnold Schwarzenegger, the former governor of California and Hollywood action star, had fathered a child with his family's housekeeper, Mildred Baena, during his marriage to Maria Shriver. The child, Joseph Baena, was born in 1997, just a few days after Schwarzenegger and Shriver's own son, Christopher, was born. The affair had been kept secret for years, but when Shriver discovered the truth, she filed for divorce after 25 years of marriage. The revelation sent shockwaves through both the political and entertainment worlds, as Schwarzenegger had been seen as a beloved public figure and family man. His reputation was significantly tarnished, and the scandal dominated media headlines for months. Schwarzenegger publicly admitted to the affair, expressing regret and taking responsibility for his actions, but the damage to his marriage and public image was irreversible. The divorce was finalized in 2011, and the affair became a significant part of Schwarzenegger's legacy, overshadowing his political career and Hollywood achievements. Number 5. Tristan Thompson and Khloe Kardashian. Tristan Thompson's relationship with Khloe Kardashian was marred by multiple cheating scandals. Thompson was caught cheating on Kardashian while she was pregnant with their daughter, True. Just days before Kardashian was due to give birth, video footage surfaced of Thompson engaging with multiple women at a nightclub, sparking outrage among fans and within the Kardashian family. Despite the public humiliation, Kardashian chose to stay with Thompson after the birth of True. The multiple scandals and Thompson's repeated infidelities became a central storyline on Keeping Up with the Kardashians, where Kardashian's pain and decision to stay with him were explored in depth. Thompson's reputation as a serial cheater was solidified, and his behavior caused significant damage to his relationship with Kardashian, who has since moved on but continues to co-parent with him. Number 4. Woody Allen and Mia Farrow. Woody Allen's relationship with actress Mia Farrow collapsed in 1992 when it was revealed that Allen was having an affair with Soon-Yi Previn, Farrow's adopted daughter from her marriage to musician Andre Previn. The affair not only ended Allen and Farrow's long-term relationship, but also led to a bitter custody battle over their biological children. The scandal severely tarnished Allen's reputation, with many in the industry and the public questioning his ethics. Allen has continued to work as a filmmaker, although the controversy surrounding his personal life remains a significant part of his legacy. Number 3. Jude Law and Sienna Miller. In 2005, Jude Law found himself at the center of a massive scandal when he publicly admitted to cheating on his fiancée, actress Sienna Miller, with their children's nanny, Daisy Wright. Law's admission of guilt sparked outrage, particularly among Miller's fans, who were sympathetic to her public humiliation. The scandal led to the end of Law and Miller's engagement, although they briefly reconciled in 2006 before ultimately parting ways for good. The incident dominated tabloid headlines for months and marred Law's public image, while Miller, despite being hurt, gained sympathy for her handling of the situation. The affair not only damaged their relationship, but also served as a cautionary tale about the vulnerabilities of high-profile couples under intense media scrutiny. Number 2. Ashton Kutcher and Demi Moore. In the course of their 6-year marriage, Ashton Kutcher and Demi Moore's relationship was plagued by allegations of infidelity, which culminated in a scandal that received widespread media attention in 2011. A relationship that was already fraught with tension was further strained by the treachery, and before the end of the year, Moore made the announcement that they were split up. The divorce between them was formalized in 2013, and Kutcher went on to marry Mila Kunis, who had previously appeared alongside him on That 70s Show. It was in 2015. Number 1. LeAnn Rimes and Eddie Cibrian. In 2009, while filming the Lifetime movie Northern Lights, LeAnn Rimes and Eddie Cibrian embarked on an affair, despite both being married at the time. Rimes to her husband of 7 years, Dean Sheramet, and Cibrian to his wife, Brandi Glanville, with whom he shared 2 young sons. The relationship quickly became a tabloid sensation after paparazzi captured intimate moments between the two, including a now infamous video of them kissing at a restaurant. While the couple has since built a life together, the affair left a lasting stain on their public image, sparking debates about infidelity and respect for family values. Thanks for watching and subscribing channel.